In this video, we're going to explain what is a good lead magnet and why they are key to helping you grow your online coaching business. There's actually 3 key components to creating a great lead magnet, but before we dive in, I'm Andy Griffith, the co-founder of Movement Formula, your all-in-one online business coaching system. What we do is we help online coaches start, launch, build, and grow their own successful coaching business practices. The first thing you need for a great lead magnet is you need to know your audience. All right, like let's pretend if you sold steak, you wouldn't be able to sell it to vegetarians, right? So having a list of vegetarians is not who you would speak to if you were a steak vendor. So knowing your audience is very key, because what you want to do is you place it in front of them because it needs to speak to the narrative that's going on inside of their head. What are some of the pain points they're going through? What is it that they're looking for? What's a solution? You know, people usually are moving away from pain or towards pleasure, and your lead magnet needs to speak to that. So knowing your audience and speaking to the narrative in their head is very key to developing your own good lead magnet. Do you currently actually have a lead magnet in place for your business? Let us know in the comments what it is. Is it an ebook, a cheat sheet, a guide, a framework? What we do at Movement Formula, we actually have our all-in-one business coaching system, and I'll talk to you about how to get completely free access for you to start building the movement you're meant to lead later on in the video. The next key part to a great lead magnet is make sure that they're actually short, bulleted, targeted type information. You're not having to write a novel here for people, right? You want to speak directly to a pain point that someone has and deliver massive value, because what it does, it builds trust. Once somebody trusts you, they like you. Once they like you, they're more willing to want to do business with you, right? So again, it's not like when someone says, hey, do you have an ebook? It's not a 300-page ebook that you give away for free. It's not a novel. It can be as short as 3 pages. It could be a cheat sheet print off. It could be a framework. It could be anywhere from like 3 to 5 pages, but don't think in your head or get lost thinking, I have to write some sort of a novel to deliver value. It can be a simple guide, worksheet, or ebook around a simple topic that you know your target audience has challenges with. And when you solve that for them, you kind of start to become the go-to person to solve their problems. So that, i.e., you can become their coach and help coaching them with the solutions that they need in their life or in their business. So you can think about that as like, what are the things that you naturally already get asked about a lot from people? Build a lead magnet around that. If people know that you're an online coach or you're looking to become a coach, what is it that people are already asking you about? That kind of gives you an aha of what it is that you can put in front of them. Because if you find that you're always answering the same types of questions, think about the power of this leverage. And instead of answering it again for the X number of time, you can go, hey, actually, I've got a free ebook on that right there. Here's a link. Power position pivoting. You can send them there to sign up. They get put onto your email list. If you have a lead magnet currently in place, which do you kind of tend to lead towards or use more often? Is it an ebook? Is it a guide? Is it a cheat sheet? Is it something else? Comment down below what's kind of your favorite type of lead magnet if you're using them, or if you're building one, what type of one are you building right now? We actually tend to lead towards lead magnets that are around the 3 to 10 page range that are targeted to a specific pain point that our audience has, so we can answer and solve that part of their business for them to develop that relationship. Now, the third part to a great lead magnet is make it easy for them to get access to it, okay? This isn't an interrogation. This isn't an interview. Keep it simple where they just trade their email, maybe their name, possibly a phone number, but really keep it simple. I would say email only or email name to get access to the information. I personally don't like to make it a downloadable on the next page. Like when someone opts in for the lead magnet, the next page says it's coming to your email. That way you know you're getting a real email address to send them that value, instead of someone typing in a fake email address to get to a page to hope that they can download it, right? And by forcing extra questions, you know, you're not interviewing them, you're building a relationship with them, and you want to date them at first, right? If they feel like quote unquote interrogated and have to fill out a bunch of info just to get this free thing, oftentimes that's a deterrent. And that doesn't allow you the chance to build your relationship where later on you can get that information from them, okay? Because you want to build that know, like, trust factor. So make it very simple, make it very easy to get access to the information that you're giving away in your lead magnet. Do you currently actually have lead magnets in your business? If so, comment some of the titles of what they are down in the comments, because those are the titles are usually what speaks to the audience, right? So I'm kind of curious what's one of the titles of one of your lead magnets in your business. Comment down there below in the comments. What we do here at Movement Formula is we help online coaches start, launch, build, and grow their online coaching businesses by providing them an all-in-one business coaching system. So instead of them having to log into a bunch of software to do what they need to do, they bring massive simplicity. And actually, we're giving away free access right now. You can go to movementformula.com and get completely free access. Give the software a test drive, if you will, around the block of your coaching business and try it out for yourself. It's at movementformula.com. And if you've gotten value from this video and ahas, take a few seconds, click the subscribe button and drop a like on there. The subscribe is going to allow you to not miss out on any future videos we release, because we have some in the queue coming out, but also you can then take a chance and see the library videos we already have on our channel. We're all about helping online coaches build the movements they're meant to lead. And by dropping the like, what that does is it tells us this is the type of video that brought massive value. So then that way we know to build more videos around that kind of topic and subject to deliver value and impact in your life and in your coaching business practice.